Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the 7-Eleven app not working step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the app from functioning properly. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for 7-Eleven, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few while and reopen it. Temporary bugs or background glitches can sometimes stop the app from working correctly. After that, restart your phone. Restarting your device refresh the system processes that can fix many minor app issues. Then you should head over to your app store and then search for the 7-Eleven rewards app, and then make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for the app and check if the update is available. If it is, make sure to update the app. Now if the issue still continues, try clearing the app's cache. If you are using Android, go to settings, app, and then go to search for the app, then go to storage and clear cache. Another solution is to long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for the app and reinstall it again. Sometimes this issue also may be caused by temporary server problems, so wait a few minutes and try again. That can help. That's how you fix the 7-Eleven app not working. If this video helped you, do not forget to like